Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off incognito mode in Google Chrome. Once you follow this tutorial, you won't be able to click on new incognito window. It just won't work and you will have turned it off completely. So you want to go ahead and click on this your search icon on Windows and just type in run. Once you do that, you will then see a run system application that you can open. Then from here you need to type in reg edit. So that's regedit. Go ahead and then type that in and click OK and then agree to any security pop-up which may appear. Now once you are here, what you want to do is then go to H key local machine. So click on this arrow and then go to software. So you want to click on the software arrow and that will bring up all of these different software folders. Now the folder that we are looking for is going to be the policies folder. So if you scroll down, you will see here policies. Go ahead and then click on this arrow and that will bring up 3 more different folders. Now what you want to do is you want to right click on the policies folder, go new and click on key. Now you want to call this policy folder Google. So type in here Google with a capital G, then click enter. Once you are done that, you want to right click on Google. You want to go new and then create here a new key. Now in this folder you want to just call it Chrome. So just type in here Chrome, click enter. Now once you've got this Chrome folder highlighted and you are in the Chrome folder, right click over here, go new and then you want to choose the dword 32-bit value. Go ahead and click on that and it will open up this new value here. Now you need to write this very specific phrase. Okay, so what you want to write is incognito with a capital I mode availability. So type this in here, incognito mode availability. Make sure that this is spelled right. Make sure you have capitalized the different words, and once you are done that, you can then click enter. Once you have done that, you can then right click on this. You want to go to modify and you want to change this value data from 0 to 1, then click OK. Now you are pretty much all done. And now everything should be working. So if we close out this, now you may need to restart Windows. So that's how you can do it. Just make sure you type everything correctly. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.